What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be assembling my long block, which it's already assembled as far as long block is concerned. Got my little guy out here with me. The long block is all assembled already. I've got this on, but this video is going to be getting that done, and everything that I've gone through to get to this point. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and share it if you feel like it and you enjoy it. Alright guys, so everything's going together fairly well. Using titanium stuff for the exhaust studs from Speed Factory. I'm actually pretty happy with them. Pretty happy with how these are going on. They're actually nice and low profile, so where the factory studs didn't used to and bolts wouldn't clear, it actually does clear my HKS twin manifolds. So I actually like that very much. The second bank goes on first. I spent about maybe an hour and a half fitting this. There we go. That little banjo bolt goes on the number 2 fitting. I haven't tightened it down yet. That's the next thing to do here once I've got everything exactly how I want it. And then I'm going to loosen this hose up. This comes off the number 2 turbo's drain. Loosen it, make sure it's free. It does have some flex tension on it, but no twisting. I just want to make sure it doesn't have any twisting tension on it. And then from there, I've got my oil. I've got my water return that comes back. And this thing comes down and connects to this right here. I'll do that here in a minute. Basically, I'm trying to get everything done that I can. You can see how tight all this is. So if I set this just the right way, need to rotate that. There we go. Then it'll stay off of it, and if I don't, it could potentially bump up against it. What I might also do is use one of the DEI stainless ties and see if I can tie the two together gently, because, you know, this is an oil return hard line, so it's not like it's that much hotter. So that's what I'm up to. I'm just working on that, trying to plug away at it. I probably had to take this whole manifold and everything off. I probably had to take it off and back on like 20 times to get the oil feed at the right angle where I know it's going to work, and to be able to work everything on. And then once I had it all on, I realized I hadn't put the bypass tube on, so I had to take it back off again. Hopefully I'll be putting the bank 1 turbos on here in a second, and see how it goes.